So, hello everyone. Are you ready for CAT 25? And is VARC something which is coming in between you and your dream score? Remember that there is something which can create a difference. If you stay accurate, consistent, disciplined, and above all calm, 10 days are enough to pull up your score. So, let's get started. So, this time is not about learning any new concept. It's about fixing and sharpening what you already know. No new books, no new resources, just trust the process. So, remember to rebuild your foundation. This is crucial. Focus on two easy to moderate passages. Just pause after each paragraph and ask, why has author written this? Focus on rebuilding flow and understand the author's intent paragraph by paragraph. Day 2 is all about the RC logic. Focus on the main idea, purpose, and inference questions. Also review your mistakes. Day 3, para summary. Practice 20 para summary questions. Identify the main idea. Also logically eliminate the options which you think are distracting. Focus on the core message. Phase 2 is about sharpening your verbal ability skills. Odd one out, day 4. Practice 20 questions, find the common theme, connecting the sentences, and match both tone and topic. Day 5 is about parajumbles. Practice 20 questions, look for opening sentences, clues, pronouns, connectors, focus on mandatory pairs, time sequence, cause and effect. Next day is about test and analyze. Mixed RCs attempt one easy and one difficult RC. The goal here is to handle varying difficulty levels calmly and adapt your strategy. One full sectional mock, but with the analysis. Improvement comes not only by giving the test, but when you start knowing your mistakes. Why something went right, why something went wrong, which were the questions which were draining your time, which was the RC tone you were struggling with the most. And remember, every insight you gain adds up to your final score. Day 8 is all about revision. Revise difficult RCs, 10 VA questions. Day 9, 1 moderate RC, 10 para summaries, 10 odd one outs, 10 para jumbles, but always review. Day 10, do 1 RC, no mocks, no burnt out, no extra solving. Sleep early, stay calm, and remain confident. Now, guys, you are on the D day of the exam, and a bit of strategies for you to boost your score. First of all, just prioritize accuracy over speed. VRC doesn't reward rushing. Always go back to the RC for evidence. Don't assume, don't imagine, and remember all the answers must be by author's intent and tone. Don't be afraid to skip RC. Now, skipping RCs also has a strategy. If you feel that the RCs are unfamiliar or the passage is unfamiliar, the words are unfamiliar, probably it is time consuming, you should skip it and protect your accuracy. So remember the formula clarity and consistency. Trust your preparation and go ace that exam. May your brain be fast and your RCs be kind. All the best.